Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make $100 per day on vocal media. Is it possible or not? So watch this video all the way to the end as I give you the step-by-step guide on how to make $100 per day on vocal media. If you're excited and ready to learn more about how to make this much money, then let's get straight into the value of today's video without wasting too much of your time. How can someone who is new to vocal media make the most money? Today, I got a new question on Quora about how to use vocal media to make $100 per day. If you're wondering the same things, this video is for you. Vocal media is a great platform for all of us because it pays you for every read you get. Vocal Plus members get $6 from Vocal media for every 1,000 reads, which is great. But the main problem is, especially at first, how to get 1,000 reads every day without a big audience. In fact, Quora is a great way to get a lot of people to see your vocal media story every single day. Quora is a website for asking and answering questions. You can share your blog link and get people to look at your blog post or affiliate offers. Vocal media bonuses, on the other hand, help you a lot, and I like that system. You need to write more answers on Quora if you want to make more money with vocal media. This is the only thing I did to make more money with vocal media. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips shared in this video to get the value I just shared with you. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions concerning how to make $100 per day on vocal media. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you later.